Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the app. Make sure WhatsApp is updated, and if needed, back up your chats. Once done, open WhatsApp and tap Settings, then Chats to reach theme options. You do this because newer themes rely on current app resources and backups protect messages if something goes wrong. Now, locate Display or Theme, it's usually under Chats, and keep your phone unlocked so changes apply cleanly. This first step moves you from setup into the change process without delay. You now pick the theme and apply it, and here's how. Tap Theme or Display, select Light, Dark, or System, and preview before committing. You should check contrast and wallpaper compatibility since poor contrast makes text hard to read. That's why you preview. After choosing, tap Apply or OK and wait a few seconds for the interface to re-render. If you use System, WhatsApp follows your phone's setting. Choose explicitly if you want a different look. Finish by verifying chats, status, and settings display correctly. If some UI elements didn't update, restart WhatsApp first. You should clear the app cache only if restart doesn't help. This forces a refresh without losing data. If problems persist, reinstall WhatsApp, then restore your backup during setup. That resolves deeper corrupted resource issues. One key troubleshooting tip: always restart the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.